What an amazing cricket was the last day of the cricketer batter Glenn Maxwell. Yes, the cricketing world has made a stack of paid tribute to Australia star batter Glenn Maxwell for producing the prodigious one-day international (ODI) innings of all time after he scored 201 runs off 128 balls and led his side to the knockout stage of the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023. By profession, Glenn James Maxwell is an Australian cricketer. Since 2012, Glenn James Maxwell played on all formats of cricket games for the Australian national cricket team, even though he is primarily a one-day international and 2020 international specialist. His full name is Glenn James Maxwell. Glenn James Maxwell was born on the 14th of October 1988. He is 35 years old. His family calls him as nickname The Big Show, Maxi. Glenn Maxwell's height is 182.2 centimeters 6 feet. He is right-handed in playing and bowling right arm off break. Glenn Maxwell is a paying all-rounder batting role.